All right, so what's going on, everyone? I got another stock that we're going to add to the portfolio today. Before I do, here's a quick look at the other stocks that we got in our portfolio for the month of January. Okay, these are the stocks that we're tracking right now, and these are the other stocks that we did for December. I'm going to do an update video tomorrow and see if these stocks are still performing the way that they should. If they are, they'll stay in the portfolio. If it's not, we're going to cut them and look for another opportunities. All right, so now, before I get started and show you all the newest stock that we're going to add, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Real simple, real easy. We're probably one of the only channels on this platform that is actually showing you stocks that are deemed to go up higher. We're going to give you a prediction, and then we're going to track it, see how it works out. So make sure you guys continue to support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. So now let me show you all what the stock is that we're going to do today. The ticker symbol is TAK. Takeda Pharmaceutical. I know you guys don't, these stocks that we have here on this platform aren't being talked about. But as you can see from this chart, this stock is on the run. Isn't that crazy? So you don't have to just get the same run-of-the-mill stocks that these other people talk about. Learn how to look at the market for yourself and figure out which stock is going the way that you think it should go. If it's look like it's bullish, and see why is that stock trending bullish. Then once you get that pattern, you're able to walk in the market on your own. You won't have to be dependent on people like me to show you stocks that are deemed to go up higher. Take these videos that we produce and learn from them. And then you guys will begin to see, hey, that stock kind of looked like the one that Stature was having. Let me go ahead and do a little bit more investigation. So let's talk about this stock then. Takeda Pharmaceutical. Now we're going to look at this on the weekly chart. And to those who are new to my other YouTube channel, the first thing we always do is we got to place areas on our price chart where we think that there are pockets of people selling and pockets where people are buying. Okay. So this is Takeda on the weekly chart. I think you guys can see where this market was initially having problems breaking out, right? So let me show you. The area was right here, okay? This market in Takeda couldn't break through this sell pocket. Look at this. All of these weekly price bars, the market was trying to break through this sell pocket. This is from March of 2025 all the way until December 22nd, 2025. Price finally broke through this long sell pocket. Wow. So when you look at another stock, if you see something similar to this, that should give you a heads up that something is changing, something is different. That's why we're adding it to the portfolio. At least one reason why. Because price has finally broken this massive lid. It took the market almost a full year, a year and some months to finally break through this sell pocket. Okay. So now let us get rid of this sell pocket and we're going to add a new one because the market currently is trading right there at a sell pocket. Okay. Outside of that one, we have one right here that we know sellers are. So as we anticipate higher prices, these will be our targets. Okay, we're going to try to target these areas for our price target. And there's another one like right here somewhere. All right, so now we got the seller's position. We know where they're at. Let's go ahead and look at where the buyers are. Okay, so that's a buy pocket right there for Takeda. And here's a big one right here down at the very bottom. Very big pocket. Let me run this one back here. Okay. So now let's look at this on the 2 weeks because the weekly chart is bullish. Look at this. This has been 3 big weeks that this stock has been on a run. So naturally, my inclination is I need to get prepared for the market to try to go down. For you to get sustained moves like that over the last, 6 weeks, because each bar that we're looking at is 2 weeks worth of price action. To go this way in 6 weeks, I'm looking for a pullback. I'm looking for the price to try to come down. Now, price is at $16.31. That's where we're going to place the prediction. But normally on a circumstance like this, I want to get in this high. I don't like entering positions at sell pockets. I like the price to retract, come back, and hit me on my limit, right? So potentially the buy pocket would be right around here that we will want the market to come in and pick us up at. So when you look at this on the 3 weeks, okay, again, it still is very bullish, right? We saw right here on this 3-weekly price bar that the market actually bounced off that prior sell pocket that we just created in the beginning of the video, this 3-weekly price bar. And the market finally is running, okay? Here it is on the 5 weeks. Again, looks pretty bullish here right now too. And the monthly chart. Okay. So we need to prepare ourselves for initially a move to the downside. Okay. So I'm just giving you the heads up now. Maybe here in this gap that you see on the 4-day chart. Here it is on the 3. And for the 2, I'm really trying to see if there's a pocket right in this area. That's what I want to see, because I want to place another one, but you really don't see one. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna keep this arrow here so we know that there's a gap right there around Takeda on multiple time frames. So let's go ahead and place this prediction on the chart. Let me bring it down to here. And our first target is going to be this first sell pocket, which is $16.90 to $17.12, 4.9% there. And we're going to target this next sell pocket, which is $18 on the low to $18.32 at the high, 12.25% there. And if the market continues its run, that's the ultimate sell pocket right there though. Like 16%, $18.93. So by us placing this on the weekly chart, be prepared to see a longer duration of trying to get this market to go in our favor. All right, this is not a daily or scalping type prediction forecast. This may take us a couple of weeks to actually see this stock give us what we're asking for, but we got our targets placed. So we'll see as time goes on throughout 2026 if this market is a contender to stay in our portfolio or if it's not. All right, so let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.